almost there.
Northernmost IKEA in the world.
Oh, there is a way to Finland.
At the roundabout, take the...
Hey! So, today is our last day in Sweden and we're gonna go to Finland.
Yes, but before that, we're gonna go to the northernmost IKEA in the world. It's right by this border between Finland and Sweden. It's in this town called Haparanda, and it's next to this Finnish town called Tornio. And these two towns share this IKEA. We heard it's very interesting. It's one of a kind IKEA. So let's go.
So on this parking you mostly have like Finnish cars and yeah, they mostly things not even Swedish. Even though this IKEA is still in Sweden.
Yeah, all from Finland already. So this is where we are, Haparanda, and that's Tornio. And it's like if you drive 10 minutes towards the east, it's gonna be 1 hour later, actually. 1 hour difference. Sort of understand some Swedish if you know English, product, designer, price something, but nothing in Finnish.
Finnish is so different. We got some nice meal to share and everything is 123 crowns.
Finland is so quiet.
Yeah, it's
We're not even in Finland yet, but I can already feel how quiet it is.
very quiet. Kinda empty. It's not from IKEA. We bought it in supermarket. But we eat it with IKEA tea. Done with food. Time to pay for our towels and go check the city.
Yeah, again, everything is very quiet around here. Very quiet.
No. So we're done with IKEA and now we decided to go to
Finland. We're gonna walk to Finland. It's 15 minutes walk from the IKEA on Swedish territory, and it's 10 minutes walk to Finland. A city called Tornio it was conquered by Russian Empire in the beginning of 19th century. And now you have two cities, basically twin cities. One on Swedish side, Haparanda. The other one on Finnish side, Tornio. So we're gonna go to Tornio, basically. Hopefully we can walk there.
Yeah, Tornio. And that blue one says Finland.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
We could do a detour. So this is actually Finland, right here.
And this snow is on Finnish side. Okay.
No, there's not even a sign. It's just
No
this snow
sign?
is in Finland.
Nothing? Okay, so basically this is it. We're in Finland. There's nothing here. Like we cross this bridge and now we're on Finnish soil.
Yes, exactly.
No sign, no nothing, but I see lots of cameras on the busy road.
Yes.
This is country number 16 for us. Yay, a new country.
Walked into it first time.
So we walked in normal and now everything in euros. I knew like why.
First impression of Finland. No one is here. It's eerily quiet on a Tuesday afternoon, considering it's 1 hour later than Sweden. So it's kind of quiet. People are already home. It kind of looks like Russian Far East, and it looks like the drivers are not as nice as the Swedes. So let's see. And there's a no camping sign right there.
Because the weather is really bad
Oh, it's just raining.
and cold and yeah, I want to come back to some warm shopping mall.
Yeah, we're gonna go back to the mall on the Finnish side, then go back to our parking Swedish side. EU Park and we're on the Finnish side. We're walking into the Swedish side, and there is a bridge. Yellow,
That little tiny bridge.
yellow, white, and blue. European Union Bridge.
Okay, so white blue is Finland, blue yellow is Sweden. Finally we found some border. Yeah, now we have to go back to Sweden. We thought we like going to Sweden, then we like officially crossed to Finland, but we like lost a little bit. So we accidentally went to Finland part. Okay, we found a border sign, but it's from Finland. But yeah.
The Swedish one is fine. Looking good. Just park your car, take a walk to Finland, and at the end of the day, you're walking back to Sweden. It's of course it's all in your imagination. But border is something people imagined, like it's not real. But when you believe it, it's real. On that side, people use Swedish crowns. On this side, people use euro. On that side, it's still 6 o'clock p.m. On this side, it's already 7 p.m. Time is a human invention. The money is a human invention. But it's so interesting. So interesting when everything was combined together in this border town. The border town is always fascinating.
So in conclusion, we absolutely love this border town. We love Haparanda Tornio. It's one of those places that make you think. Borders, money, even time. Like it's 10 minutes away between these two cities, but people speak different language, use different currencies, and even live by different times. But at the end of the day, what is really real? Like if you ever wonder, you should come to Haparanda and Tornio and see it yourself and think about it yourself. That's what fascinates me about these border towns. It's the space, time, citizenship, nationality, currencies, and border. Everything come all together, and I believe you're gonna have a brand new understanding of everything.